Hey, what's up, Chad? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me, they coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's Molly Miss. I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
I'll be in Memphis.
I gotta make this quick, y'all, because we don't know. Y'all know how they be, man. But y'all will see we outside, man. I got two people for this motherfucker that y'all ain't seen in forever, bro. Like, I got two of them. We're gonna start, you know what I'm saying? I'm bringing my, come on, man. Y'all already know what it is.
Yo, what's good, man? Y'all know I had to come out here and check out my boy Pablo Savage, man. Hey. First time I done got to see the rat, that bad boy look good. That's how long y'all should know I done been away.
Facts.
That boy Rat Carbon rap for a minute, man. But hey, you know, I had to come out here and support, and like always, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, alright? Man, let's get it.
Yes, sir. We ain't done. That go to the other one.
I don't know why.
Yeah, that go to the other one.
Like he brand new out here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know it's your boy, certified SRT FIAD _392. Man, look, I ain't even gonna act brand new on this channel because y'all probably already done seen my face, but it's been a hot minute for all the new subscribers.
It's been a minute.
Hey, if you ain't subscribed to this channel yet, man, after you watch this video, or even while you watching this video, go down, click that red button. You know why? Because don't call me nothing. Don't cost you nothing. Just click that red button. Yeah, let's go.
What's up, gang? How you been, man? You been
I've been straight, man. I've been straight.
Yes, sir.
That Cali life, it was straight in Cali, man.
Yeah.
It was straight. I ain't gonna go too far into it on video, you know what I'm saying?
I seen a couple times you post them gas numbers. I was like, shit me.
The day I got out there, $7.15 a gallon.
Ew.
Everybody was like, yo, why you ain't shooting no video? Cause I ain't paying no fucking goddamn $100 trying to goddamn drive to the scene and shit. Fuck that shit. Nah, I slowed down on my channel, I ain't gonna front, but I'm still posting, you know what I'm saying? I actually just hit 3K, so anybody that's watching this video right now that's on my channel, just hit 3K. If you ain't on my channel, go on over there to the channel, hit that sub button, because I will be doing a giveaway. And for those that follow me already, y'all already know how I do. It's a cash giveaway, so $300. Y'all heard it here first. I ain't even posted it on my channel yet. So y'all getting the exclusive. So
you been vlogging while you been out here?
No. Bruh, I came home. I know.
Watch this.
I know. But I came home and I was like, you know what? I'ma chill. I'ma spend time with the fam. I'm not trying to worry about vlogging and shit. Okay. So I'ma say that for next time.
Where they going?
Oh shit, we about to I know we about to pull up.
Y'all gonna go to the Sonic?
No, so everybody's saying that they pulling back up over there, so we're gonna go.
She look good, the fast sports though.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You got a bag on?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's still.
Coppers looking to fuck with somebody. Lights on. We outside, man. I parked a little crooked. Y'all see my boy Wide Body Chase outside. Y'all see my boy Hell Scat 392 outside. Oh, shout out again. What's up?
What's going on? It's Dead Scat over here.
Dead Scat with an extra charge. Looking at his Wide Body Chase. You know, hit the YouTube, hit the TikTok, hit the Instagram. You know.
Hey, you got TikTok too?
Yeah.
You going up?
Running up on TikTok. Slight word. All of it.
Yeah, I see my boy Carson out this thing. Hey, bro, I want to apologize to you on camera. Because listen, I was watching that video, y'all. Look, I felt bad because I was like, hell, take the camera. You ain't doing that. My bad, bro.
It's all right.
I felt like I was just commanding this man to do shit.
It's all right.
I watched, I was like, damn, that's kind of rude, bro.
And then look, he take my camera and go like, that shit ain't got big ass bricks about it. I'm like, damn, you gave me your camera. so you can hold my camera. Like,
But you gotta look like you're doing something, so you gotta put it in your hand, you know what I'm saying?
they be like, what?
That's how we do it.
That's POV and the regular.
Facts. So I see the game, man. They outside chilling. And you see street predators outside. I think that's a manual black thing front. I like that front splitter. See how I do the side skirts too, excuse me. You see the 5.7 thing. 5.7 thing. You see the 5.7 thing outside. They got a Vetti. That boy got good copyright going. Damn. I hope we look. I ain't gonna lie, man. I hope that shit don't block in my music, man. You see? That's shit. You see street predators outside though. That's the game. Yeah. Double round. What's up, gangster? What's up, brother? You see it, gang? What's up?
We got another big Daytona. In the black. Who is that? Yeah.
Oh, you got a new one?
Yeah, I got it.
Yes, sir. Congratulations, brother. Yes, sir. What's going on? Let me grab it. Stop playing. What's up, brother? You alright? Good? Yes, sir. Everybody outside. That boy got a Daytona now? Okay. He stays with the same thing, man. What's up? Hey, what's up? What you doing outside, man?
Come out, see us.
See this motherfucker here? You see him?
I ain't nobody.
You brought his son, you got him outside. Okay. What year this is? Got a good copy. Good, man. I little light show going. That's the game. Everybody true.
Why buy the version?
Y'all ain't seen Muno on that bit in forever, man. It's still there. Make sure y'all check my boy out. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know she bad too. You gotta look at the fitment. That's the only way you gonna see it. You gotta look at the fitment. Yeah, it's clean. They outside with it though. That boy got a good copy. Oh, he going.
That bit, bop.
Alright, gang, man. We outside. Y'all already see my boy, man. Go and give him your piece one time.
Man, look, y'all already know what it is. Y'all need to subscribe to this channel if you ain't already subscribed. But don't tune into my channel, Certified SRTFIED_392. Y'all already know what it is. Don't cost me nothing, don't cost you nothing. Just click that red button and we out there, dude.
Hey, man, that's a special one, man. Y'all know that's my brother, man. I'm glad he was able to come to town, hang out for a little bit. Got him a little car meet put together, you know what I'm saying? He did his thing. But we're going to have a couple bangers coming for y'all real soon, man. Y'all stay tuned to the channel. But shit, I guess I'll end mine right here, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you get all these drops when these drops come. This your boy Pablo. That's 35392. That's Wide Body Chase. We outside and we out of this bitch. We're finna get a burnout. Oh, that big got full turbo.